I use tapping with lots of my clients, and I thought I'm going to do a series of days. So this is day one of showing you how to tap, and today it's just really simple. We're thinking about our setup and what the tapping points are. So the tapping points are, we start with karate chop point here, as if you were going to karate chop somebody. Where would you hit them? Doesn't matter which side, just here. It's tapping like this. The next tapping point is top of our head, then the inside corner of our eyebrow, outside of between the eye socket, this bit, and the bony bit here, again the edge of the eye socket here, and then above your top lip, between your nose and your top lip, below your bottom lip, in that dip there of your chin. And then you have on your collarbones, you have two knobbly bits, and then underneath your collarbones, if you feel, you can feel that there's a bit, there'll be a spot that's a little bit more tender than the other parts, and that's the place you just bang like this. And then the last bit is, if you had a bra on, it would be here underneath on the side of your chest, your back side. So those are the tapping points. I'll do this every day over the next week or so, and then we do the setup. And the setup phrase is whatever it is you're feeling. So the negative bit first, and then the more positive bit secondly. So even though, and we do this whilst we're tapping here, even though I feel really anxious today, I deeply and completely accept myself. So you can say that 3 times, that even though whatever it is you're feeling. And the second bit can be changed. You can either say, I deeply and completely accept myself, which is that understanding that this is a behaviour that you don't particularly like and you don't want in your life, but actually you accept who you are. Or you can do something along the lines of, even though I feel really anxious, I'm working on feeling better, and I know that if I give myself time, I'll be okay. And then we just repeat that 3 times. So this is part 1. For part 2, come back tomorrow. I'm going to post every day, and we will do a little bit more tapping together. So I look forward to seeing you. Let me know what you think about it, if you've used tapping before, and we'll go from there. Take care.